melanin ba, di ba, oh, mela, melanin ba.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ro.lyss and I'm back again with another video. And today we have a hair install slash hair review, whatever you want to call it. I am so excited to do this video because I wanted a body wave wig in my head so bad for so long, just looking like that girl. So today I am honored to be partnering up with Metamucila. Right here, you guys, they sent me a body wave 24-inch. It's a 4x4 closure. I'm gonna open the package and show y'all exactly what comes in it. You have your wig cap. You need your wig cap, ladies. You need your wig cap. And that's pretty much what comes in it, besides the wig. Here's the wig right here. It comes in the clear packaging, like most wigs come in. And you have your little net. Ooh. Paper. And this is the wig fresh out of the package. And I'm already in love. We could do something. We could do something with this. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course, to your girl. And click that post notification bell so you can see more videos like this. And now, let's get into the video. One of my favorite things to do is to push back the hair that's on the lace, because that's annoying when I'm trying to glue down. So I'm going to just push it back. I should be using the wig head, but I'm not. Push it back, just push it back just a little bit. So that's all I did, push it back. Alright, you guys, I am done with the look, and this is the look that I achieved. I am so obsessed with these curls. If you know me, I love some wand curls. Like, this is really cute. It's girly, out with the girls type of look. I love it. Y'all comment down below and tell me how y'all feel about this wig. I already told y'all this wig is a 4x4 closure, and it is 24 inches, 180 density. But yeah, y'all, I really don't have too much. Oh, y'all, something in my eye. Oh, I don't really have so much to tell you guys, but to show y'all this wig and this look, y'all, I am rushing somewhere. I'm going to Sean's birthday party. That vlog will be coming out too, so stay tuned to that. And comment down below, see how you like this hair, and tell me how you like this hair. And y'all, of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course, to your girl. Ro.lyss is out.